everyone, my name is Nikki and today I'm going to be unboxing the new Microsoft Surface Pro 6 and I can't wait to open it. Okay, let's start unboxing. And you guys, this is not a sponsored video. My husband bought it himself.
Yeah, I'm a tech geek.
Okay, yeah, so, woo, I'm excited.
You're excited. I'm excited.
I love opening new boxes, but you don't want to mess it up. Get a small knife, razor, whatever you have in there. Oh my gosh, I love new boxes. Oh my gosh, let's see. Can wait. It's new and crisp. Ooh. Wait, hold on. How you open it? So we have the platinum color. Let's see how it looks like.
So the reason we got the platinum color is because the black one's like $300 extra. You have to get the 256 gigabyte solid state drive, and I'm not paying $300 just for a color.
Okay, hold on. It's kind of difficult.
You can do it.
Oh my gosh, you guys! Ah! You guys see it? You guys see it? Okay, let me open it. So it comes with everything, like the plastic thing, so you can't scratch it and all the stuff. But obviously, okay, it's like an iPhone, you know, like in a box. I'm guessing this is the charger, I don't know. No idea. So let's put this down. Actually, never mind. Let's open it this way. Ooh, I can see the camera up here. Ooh.
Yeah, it's a laptop.
Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Should I open it?
That's what this little video is for.
Oh, I know, but I don't want to. Oh my gosh. There. You guys. Ooh. This is what it looks like. We have the color platinum, and I think they have two, platinum and black. So we're gonna get closer. Okay, so here you can see the little camera, and then at the very back you will see the logo and the camera here. And then on the sides, you will see the buttons, the switch button, and then I'm guessing the volume button, right? And then on the other side, you will see these little dots. I think this one connects to the keyboard, right? Yeah, here. And so when you flip it over, this thing, you can flip it and then it will stand. Just like that, you guys. This is so pretty. It is very thin and it's just very light. I love it. But let's open the charger. Let's see. I want to see how it looks like. Oh, it's just a little what do you call that, Dada?
Charger?
No, the power bank. It looks like a freaking power bank. And oh yeah, okay, this one connects, and then I don't know what this is. Oh,
The manual, right?
The manual and everything. So that's it for my unboxing video, and